Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm gonna be talking about on how you can get Fortnite on your phone or your mobile device. Now, if you want to play Fortnite on your mobile device, if you have an iPhone, you are not going to be able to do it. You'll have to play it via cloud services. Now, what cloud services are available for you? Xbox, as well as the Steam one. I forgot what the Steam one is. Xbox, the Steam one, and there are a few cloud services. I normally would recommend using the Xbox one because that's free. So once you want to go over to Fortnite, once you're in Fortnite, wait, my apologies, you'll just want to go over to this one, the main link. Once you're in the main link, you want to press on download, mobile phone. And if you're on an Android, just download the app. And if you have a Samsung device, go to your Samsung Galaxy store and just download the launcher from there. That's about it. So I hope you've learned how you can play Fortnite on your mobile device. If you did, please drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we are going to be launching more videos in the future, which you guys do not want to miss. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.